Hello everyone, welcome back. So now it's time to implement the comment section and we are going to do that. So I am at the home.blade.php, that is the component blade file, and as you can see here we have the 22 as a like the static values. So I am going to write down like the post slash comments, and we have that field in the post model. And after that we are going to add like in input field where you can like write the comments, and once you press enter, that comment is going to be stored in the database, and like that will be count as comment. So I will come here and I'm going to add a form that is going to be, let's say, a post request, or we can ignore the request. And then inside I'm going to create an input field text type, so input and then text, and the name is going to be, let's say, comment. ID is, we don't need ID. And I'm going to add some classes, some random classes, and to like make it beautiful for this section. And here I am going to like um, set this as a live wire model. So I'm going to live wire model dot lazy, and let's call it comment. And here this form is going to be submitted to some function, so we need to find that. So livewire dot submit dot prevent, and here let's say save comment. And as you know, like we will need the comment, the post ID, so I'm going to pass that as well. So post of ID. Now let's see how does that looks like, but before that I'm going to create this function and create this variable in that component. So I'm going to go to the PHP file, that is like blade livewire component PHP file, and here I'm going to create that variable that is comment. And after that I'm going to create a function, so function and function, and this is going to be save comment, and accepts post underscore id, and here we will create a comment. So the way we do, we in also we have to validate it, right? So I'm going to do client side validation as well as server side. So this is going to be required, and here dollar this validate, so that we don't have any like empty comments. So the comment field is going to be required as well as string. So after that we are going to create a comment and store that in the in that specific post, like count that specific, just like we do in the like. So I'm going to copy this, come here, and instead of like, I'm going to comment and import that, and post id as well as user id. So this is going to be post underscore id and user id. So if this exists, is going to like pick up the first one. If doesn't exist, then go ahead and create that. So after that we have to increment the comments of the post. So post underscore, like if I go to the post model, we can see that we have the comments. So this is the count of the comments, so that's what we have to increment once the new comment is added. So I am going to come here and comments here plus equals to 1, so that will increment that by 1, and the post id comes right here, and save that, like commit the transaction and save that. So let's try that out. I'm going to start at the development server, so php artisan serve, and come back to the browser, or let's visit the browser. I am going to log in, so log into the application, and we are going to write some comments, and let's see if that UI is loaded as well. So looking at these, it's not loaded. Let's look at the blade file. I haven't saved that on this one, so I'm going to save this, and let's see. Now as you can see, we have a comment section. Let's add a placeholder as well, and let's say placeholder, uh, write your thoughts, or write, or let's say write your comment here, and dot we can add like not here, here. So let's say I'm going to add some comments. So let's say hello there, and I'm submit that. It's submitting the palm, but we don't want that, so let's fix this. Wire submit dot prevent method is post. Let's do one thing. Let's remove this one as well, palm, and let's see submit dot prevent. Oh, it's like this one. And let's set the method again, method post, and let's refresh the page. Now the UI can be customized, but you know the UI is loaded and the placeholder is also loaded, as you can see right here. So if I write comment, let's say that that is that's awesome, and I'm going to hit enter. There is some error, comment doesn't have a default value. Yeah, so we have issue in the or they're like we did validated the comment, but we did not store that in the comment section, so we have to do that as well. I'm going to attach that right here, like to prevent the duplication. Like if it doesn't exist, it's going to create it, otherwise it's going to pick the first one. So post id, and then comment here will be the $this of comment variable, that is global variable. So $this of comment, and let's see, let's try that out. So I'm going to write some random comment, and if I go, as you can see, it's incremented, but we have to unset the variable as well. So right here I'm going to do like a call the unset method and pass the $this of comment, and this is going to unset that. So now we have one comment on this. We can write some on some others. We have one issue. As you can see the comments, oh yeah, so if I refresh the page, the comments are loaded on all of them, so we have to fix that issue. Now we have one comment on this one. If I write comment of this one, let's say some random comment, and I'm going to submit it, it's submitted, and I can write comment on any other post. Like as you can see, these two has one comment, and I wrote on them. So that is all about comment section, and from now we are going to move on to the other things